Okay. What's up, YouTube? No, not Clash Clans. Clash of Royals. And let's get into the gameplay. It's storming outside right now, though. So, yeah. Good luck.
What's it about then?
Fireballs right there. Let's throw you in right there. Change up your move, I guess. Oh, no, 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 no. No. Shoot, 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 shoot. So I could put you there. Yay. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Fire. Whatever. Stupid. Ha. Loser. I need help over there.
Hey, put this one back in there. Put that temper of yours in your pocket. You got that?
Dr. Shansky wants to know if they're serious about releasing their names to the media.
No, the story's going to come out. Just depends on how they want it to read.
Never mind your friends or what the DA thinks. You want this hanging over
Well,
your head?
DA thanks.
She was being chased by this very big man. A white man with dark hair.
He ripped her shirt off. She was screaming.
It looked like they were fighting. Did you notice, man?
I'll get close on her.
She climbed over the side to get away. She was terrified.
It all happened so fast. I couldn't believe it. She just jumped. You didn't push her. No, sir. I think she jumped to get away from him. He was a lunatic.
He looked right at us after she jumped. I thought he was going to come after me.
He saw me.
Hey, you drove off in a green LTD. I don't know what you're...
You didn't want to see how it started?
You don't
Oh, no.
know his name, right?
No, we don't.
They were in front of me, the VW and the LTD. She might have cut him off, I'm not sure, but they banged fenders. The guy got out real ticked off.
This was a traffic accident?
Yeah. The guy was screaming at her to get out of her car. He got her door open and dragged her out by her hair. She ran away from me. That's my truck.
Okay, guys. I just won that battle. So, yeah, never. Okay. Let's open up this chest in 8 hours, 3 hours. Okay. Let's go open here. Let's open all these up. Open. Open. Okay. Let's get back in.
I've made plans for later in case the state doesn't go well.
Same here. Wouldn't it be great if everyone said what they meant? The city double cash card does. Earn 1% cash back when you buy and 1% as you pay.
Nathan! Oh, let's upgrade 20. Yeah. Let's upgrade you. Okay. This is level 2, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3. Okay. Let's go back to you. Let's attack. I'm gonna say good luck here. Good luck. Whoa. I'm just gonna start with this. I'm not even gonna bother with that. Now I will fill one of them in.
The family favorite, Yo Play.
When I stand on the mountain and I say do it, it gets done. If it don't get done, then I'll move on it. And that's the last thing in the world you want me to do.
To understand
stupid.
Quit.
Sorry, I'm YouTubing. Fist fight. Oh, shit.
Murderingly famous Charles Manson. Season premiere tonight at 9 Eastern and Pacific on Photos Channel 238. If you love crab, and who doesn't, then seize the day already. Crab Fest is back at Red Lobster. With so many kinds of crab, and the most crab dishes of the year.
Okay, so I haven't been talking because it's really, really early. And what the fuck? Yeah, so that's why I haven't been talking.
Sweet and straight from the icy waters of Alaska.
Four.
You gotta get it to really get it. But it won't last forever, so hurry in.
It's done raining already. Much of a storm.
Kellogg's Frosted Mini Wheats. Feed your inner kidult. Your insurance company won't replace the full value of your total new car. The guy says, you picked the wrong insurance plan. No, I picked the wrong insurance company. With no car replacement, we'll replace the full
I'm letting them do
plus
this.
depreciation. Liberty Mutual
I'm letting them win.
You know why Louisiana food is the best food in the world? Because we slow cook. You heard the man. And since Popeyes was born,
Yeah, you'll see.
Louisiana,
I told you they ain't winning.
that's why everything from my slow marinated bona fide chicken and hand-wrapped
Loser.
tenders to my slow simmered red
Go.
beans and rice is world famous
Run.
flavor. Great food takes time, honey. So come to where we cook it up slow and serve it fast. That ready yet? Almost. Almost ready.
The chicken pot pie.
The virus has mutated. We're looking at another pandemic. If you won't spread the cure, what the hell are you doing? You will.
From the looks of it, they consider driving a contact sport. That's the damage from the guardrail. Over here, fresh green paint from the LTD, 86, 87 model.
Yeah, I suppose there's more than one of those in the city.
2068. That's in the 5 boroughs.
About this green paint here, same vintage?
Yeah, she must hit the LTD twice.
Eyewitnesses all said there was only one accident on this side.
Maybe Watney and the LTD traded paint before they got to the bridge.
Thanks. Yeah, she dropped her friend off in Henry Street, 10 blocks from the bridge.
It's a lot of doorbells.
Well, you rather make 2068 phone calls?
I would have called her in myself, you see. But it was 2 o'clock in the morning. I thought the best thing to do would be to leave a note on Mr. Cutsy's car.
Well, you're a rare citizen, Mr. Cromwell. Why don't you tell us what happened?
I worked security 4 to midnight. I was walking home and I heard the crash.
The LTD in the Volkswagen?
That's it.
No, they won.
Slid off into Mr. Cutsy's car.
This is all I got for you guys today. 7 minutes. Peace, YouTube.